Introduction. We provide gas or oil-fired steam boilers. They have a lot in common, such as the standard power R3pH/220V/60 Hz. The error allow value of boiler efficiency is ±1%, partial modification for improvement is allowed without notice, etc. However, every gas or oil steam boiler has different specifications. Please see below. Advantage 1. Cross-flow structure, advanced level at domestic and international. 2. After 3 minutes igniting, it can get enough pressured steam. 3. Automatically control combustion, steam pressure and water level, ensure safe and economical operation. 4. Combustion gas flowing among conduit group at a high speed that assures high-quality heat convection and transfer and high-effect heat absorption. 5. Quiet operation and stable combustion, completely according with environmental protection standard. 6. Perfect boiler body structure ensures high-quality heating absorption and high combustion efficiency up to 96%. 7. High technology, high quality, fully automatic CO2 welding, parts standardization and quality assurance. 8. The network terminal monitoring system can be connected Sitong repair centers. 9. Service boiler work condition and assist solving boiler problems. 10. View simultaneously multiple boilers operation and monitor VIs, record downtime, location, evaporation capacity, fuel consumption, water, steam pressure, water temperature, exhaust temperature, feed water temperature and print the daily report and monthly report. 11. Preheater uses seamless steel pipe, undergoes sandblasting and hot dip galvanizing treatment and prolongs service life.